boys and girls, first I want you to get out one clean piece of paper and a pen. We are going to be learning how to construct a bar graph today, so pay attention so you can know exactly what to do. First, we are going to be watching 5 different clips from the movies Toy Story, Monsters, Inc., Shrek, Nemo's, and The Incredibles. As you watch them, be thinking of your favorite movies from these. Alright, Kenny, what was your favorite movie?
My favorite movie was The Incredibles.
Incredibles. Mac?
Shrek.
Shrek. Good choices. Did you know that we can construct a bar graph just from watching these movies and deciding what our favorite was? Alright, now we're going to learn how to construct a bar graph before we go back to the movies. So watch me closely so you'll know what to do. First, I'm going to draw the X and Y axis. So it'll help with reading the labels correctly. Now I'm going to label them. The X and Y axis. On the bottom, I'm going to label what I'm comparing in this word problem. So let's read it out loud. Lily asked 7 different people what their favorite animal was. 4 people told her their favorite animal was a cat. 2 people told her their favorite animal was a dog. And 1 person told her his favorite animal was a fish. So what I'm going to do, since we're comparing cat, dog, and fish, we're going to be labeling them at the bottom. Now on the y-axis, we're going to be labeling the numbers. Since Lily asked 7 different people, that means 7 different people all together. So we're going to be labeling this all the way up to 7, and starting with 1 at the bottom. Alright. We label the y-axis to 7 because, like I said, we're comparing 7 different people. Now that we have the bar graph labeled correctly, all we're missing are the bars. Since 4 people told Lily their favorite animal was a cat, we are going to be drawing the bar all the way up to 4. Alright. 2 people told Lily their favorite animal was a dog. Since 2 people told her their favorite animal was a dog, we're going to go right above the word dog, and we're going to go up 2 spaces. And same thing for fish. 1 person told Lily his favorite animal was a fish. So we're going to go right above the word fish and draw a bar that goes 1 unit. And I color the bars in at the bottom to make it easier to read. So, can we compare? Just by looking at this, can we make a quick estimation of, can we get the answer that out of 7 people, cat was the #1 choice for their favorite animal? Good. Alright, now that we know how to make a bar graph, I'm going to ask you to help me make a classroom graph. We are going to make a graph using stickers in this poster board. Alright. And Kenny, since you told me your favorite movie was The Incredibles, you get an Incredibles sticker. Matt, since you said Shrek, you get a Shrek sticker. Now, can someone please tell me what the first thing I should draw to make a bar graph should be?
The X and Y coordinate.
Good job. And should I label them?
Yes.
Good job. Next, what should we label?
We should label the movies across the bottom.
Correct, because we're going to be comparing them, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Now, what should we put on this side?
Numbers.
The number. Since we have 20 students in the classroom, I'm going to label it, what should go here first, 20 or 1?
1.
Good job. And we're going to go up to 20. Alright, now that we have everything labeled correctly, I'm going to ask each one of you to come to the board and place your sticker above your favorite movie. So for example, since Kenny likes The Incredibles best, is he going to place his stickers under Monsters, Inc. or above The Incredibles?
The Incredibles.
Good job. So we're going to start at the bottom with 1. So Kenny, you can go ahead and come to the
Put my
board and
finger up
place
there?
your sticker. So be sure to use straight lines. Good
Is
job.
that correct?
It is. Alright, Matt. Can you come to the board and place it in the appropriate column?
And mine was Shrek.
Good job. Alright, now that everyone's had a chance to come to the board, can we read this together? Kenny, can you tell me how many people like The Incredibles best?
Only 6 people.
6 people. Good. Matt, what about Nemo?
10.
Let's count it together and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
That's what I meant. 9.
Okay. Alright. Since we read all of them together, if you can just glance at the bar graph, can you see which one is the most popular movie out of the classroom? Kenny, which one is it?
Nemo.
Good job. Matt, what about the least popular video? Or the least popular movie?
Monsters, Inc.
Good job. Alright, now it's your turn to construct your own bar graph. I have 2 different scenarios that I need y'all to make a bar graph to. I'm going to read them together. The first one says, Alex asked 10 different people what their favorite color was. 4 people said green, 3 people said yellow, 2 people said blue, and 1 person said red. The second one that y'all are going to construct says, Katie asked her neighbors what their favorite season was. 4 people said fall, 3 people said summer, 5 people said spring, and 2 people said winter. And y'all can start whenever you're ready. These are just going to stay on the board. Alright, good job, boys and girls. Today you have learned how to construct a bar graph. You have learned how to label them correctly and how to make quick estimations just by glancing at them. Now, we're going to move on to centers now. So at the center, I have different colored paper over there. I have different numbers and different topics for you to choose from on cards laying face down. The directions will be to pick a card and construct a bar graph as the card says. The graph should be labeled correctly and the columns should be lined up correctly, and you also get to color them in. There's 3 different cards, and make sure you read them correctly.